This bolt hasn't moved in 15 years. Watch this. What you just saw, that's not even close to the most powerful thing WD-40 can do for your car. Most people think it's just for squeaky hinges, but using it the wrong way is secretly ruining parts of your vehicle. Today I'll show you 18 WD-40 tricks that could save you thousands, plus one mechanic-approved hack that literally prevents bug splatter before it happens. Stick around, you're about to rethink everything. 1. The sticker assassin technique. Forget the heat gun, forget the scraping. Here's what detailers don't want you to know. The secret is in the chemistry. WD-40 breaks down the adhesive molecular bonds. Give it 60 seconds to work its magic. That bumper sticker that's been haunting your car for 3 years? Gone. No residue, no damaged paint, no tools required. Pro tip, this works on parking permits, inspection stickers, even that dealer badge they stuck on without asking. 2. The silent treatment for squeaky metal. Every car develops a personality through its squeaks and creaks. But here's the thing, those sounds aren't character, they're cries for help. Listen to this. Now watch. It's not just about the noise. Every squeak is metal grinding on metal, wearing away microscopic layers. You're not just silencing it, you're extending its life. 3. The Rust Whisperer method. This exhaust bolt has been fighting me for 2 hours. Breaker bar bent, knuckles bleeding. Sometimes you need to outsmart the rust instead of overpowering it. See how it's creeping into every microscopic gap? WD-40 doesn't just sit on top, it infiltrates. The water displacement formula pushes out moisture and breaks the rust's grip from the inside. 2 hours of fighting versus 5 minutes of chemistry. Work smarter, not harder. 4. The battery terminal time machine. This is what kills batteries, not age, but corrosion. That white, crusty buildup is basically cancer for your electrical system. But here's the prevention hack nobody talks about. After you clean it, a light mist of WD-40 creates an invisible barrier. Moisture can't penetrate, corrosion can't form. 6 months later, guess which one still looks new? 5. The paint-safe contaminant killer. Your car's paint is under constant attack. Road tar from construction zones, tree sap in parking lots, overspray from nearby painting projects. Most people reach for harsh solvents that can damage clear coat. Here's the gentle approach that actually works better. The key is patience. Let the WD-40 do the work. Don't scrub, don't force it. The solvents break down the contamination while the lubricants protect your paint. Your clear coat stays intact and the contamination just disappears. 6. The Wheel Whisperer technique. Brake dust isn't just ugly, it's metallic particles that bond to your wheels like tiny welders. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to remove. But WD-40 has this almost supernatural ability to break those bonds. Watch how it changes the dust from stuck-on concrete to loose powder. One spray, one wipe, showroom shine. No scrubbing, no special wheel cleaners, no damaged finish. 7. The Bug Graveyard Solution. Summer driving means bug genocide on your car's front end. Those aren't just gross, they're acidic. Left on too long, they'll actually etch your paint. The secret is that WD-40 rehydrates the dried bug protein. It's making them water-soluble again. What was bonded becomes wipeable. Clean windshield, unharmed paint, no scrubbing battle scars. 8. The Winter Lockout Prevention System. Picture this, it's 15 degrees, you're running late, and your car door lock is frozen solid. Your key won't even go in. One small spray inside the lock cylinder before cold weather hits. The WD-40 displaces any moisture and creates a protective film. When Jack Frost comes knocking, your locks laugh at him. 9. The Wiper Blade Resurrection. Squeaky wipers aren't just annoying, they're telling you the rubber is hardening and losing its edge. Replace them? Not so fast. Sometimes all they need is a little moisture and flexibility restoration. The petroleum distillates soften the rubber back to its original suppleness. Like new wipers for the cost of a few drops of WD-40. 10. The Seat Track Liberation. Manual seat tracks are the forgotten victims of time. Dirt, debris, and dried grease turn smooth adjustment into a wrestling match. But liberation is just a spray away. WD-40 doesn't just lubricate, it dissolves the gunk that's binding everything up. Smooth as silk, like the day it rolled off the assembly line. 11. The Water Spot Vanishing Act. Hard water spots on glass aren't just ugly, they're mineral deposits that can actually etch the surface if left too long. Regular glass cleaners just push them around. WD-40's solvents dissolve the mineral bonds while the oils provide lubrication for safe removal. Showroom clarity without the showroom price. 12. The Rubber Rejuvenation Protocol. Rubber weather stripping is your car's seal against the elements. When it dries out and cracks, you get water leaks, wind noise, and energy loss. The petroleum base penetrates the rubber, restoring flexibility and creating a moisture barrier. Soft, supple, and sealed, like new weather stripping for pennies. 13. The Engine Bay Photo Shoot Prep. Want your engine bay to look magazine-worthy? Skip the expensive detailing sprays. WD-40 cleans, shines, and protects in one step. The light oils bring out the natural color of plastics without leaving a greasy residue. Concours level presentation with hardware store supplies. 14. The Headlight Quick Fix Illusion. Headlight restoration can cost hundreds at a shop, but sometimes you just need them to look good for one day. A sale, a date, a car show. This isn't a permanent fix, but the oils temporarily fill in the microscopic scratches that cause the haze. Crystal clear for the day, buying you time to do a proper restoration later. Okay, everything you've seen so far, that's just WD-40 being WD-40. Useful, practical, logical. But what I'm about to show you next will completely rewire your brain about what's possible with this stuff. These aren't just hacks. They're automotive magic tricks that seem to break the laws of physics. Ready to have your mind blown? The Mind Benders. 3 impossible hacks that actually work. 15. The Chrome Time Machine. Chrome restoration usually requires special compounds, polishing wheels, hours of elbow grease. But watch this. How is this possible? WD-40's light abrasives remove oxidation while the oils fill microscopic scratches. It's like having a professional polishing compound that thinks it's penetrating oil. Exhaust tips, license plate frames, bumpers, anything chrome becomes a mirror in seconds. 16. The Prophetic Bug Shield. Here's something that sounds like automotive voodoo. What if I told you that you could prevent bug splatter before the bugs even hit? The science is wild but simple. WD-40 creates an ultra-slick hydrophobic barrier. When bugs hit, instead of sticking and cooking onto the paint, they slide right off. The difference is so dramatic, it looks like magic. 17. The Vintage Revival Spell. Collectors pay thousands for pristine vintage plates. But what if you could resurrect the ones everyone else throws away? The transformation is so dramatic, people will think you found a time machine. Original paint, readable text, authentic patina, preserved but refreshed. Turning scrap metal into automotive art, one spray at a time. 18. The Emergency Shine Protocol. Final hack. Your car looks terrible. You have 10 minutes before an important meeting, and all you have is WD-40. Quick chrome polish, water spot removal, plastic restoration, tire sidewall shine. From embarrassing to respectable in under 10 minutes. Not a complete detail, but enough to save face when it matters most. 18 hacks, one $4 can. Hundreds of dollars in potential savings. But here's what really blows my mind about WD-40. It was invented in 1953 to prevent nuclear corrosion. The Rocket Chemical Company created it to stop nuclear Atlas rockets from corroding. 70 years later, we're using rocket technology to make our daily drivers look and work better. Every spray connects you to the dawn of the space age. This isn't just automotive maintenance, it's applied chemistry, practical physics, liquid problem solving. The challenge. I want you to try just 3 of these hacks this weekend. Pick the ones that solve your biggest car frustrations. Then come back and tell me in the comments which one shocked you the most. The promise. Because once you start seeing WD-40 as liquid gold instead of just that squeaky hinge spray, you'll never run out of ways to make your car better. Keep a can in your trunk, keep one in your garage, keep one in your toolkit. You'll thank yourself later.
And remember, every master technician has a secret weapon. Now you know what it is.